What up, YouTube? This is GeoStealth R1. Now, here we go. The Bigfoot 50th Anniversary Edition, the Commemorative Edition. 1,975 were made. Here's the other Bigfoot that I have. This is the one I'm going to be able to play with. But this one, this is the meat and potatoes and everything. Let me get up and let's check a few things out on this box. Really nicely set up box that they have over there. I'm going to focus in, try to get the number of what I paid for it. There you go. This is not something for the faint of heart. A lot of people are saying, you know what? There's not too much of a difference. There is a massive amount of difference between this and the other Bigfoot. You're not going to be able to get all these components. I contacted Traxxas directly, and I said, well, say hypothetically speaking, my ESC, when I connect the battery to this, goes up in flames and damages the body or whatever like that. The person from Traxxas told me this is one of one to the RC. There's not going to be replacement bumpers, the gold rims, the shocks, the gold heatsink. All that stuff is not going to be replaceable, and that's what makes this at the price point that it is, and that's why you're looking at the Bigfoot that I'm going to be playing with, which is going to be the basic blue one, and then I'm going to have the Bigfoot that's over here to my right hand side. You're going to see differences between both of them, and as I come across and look at both of these guys, the scale of this is going to be massively different, when it comes down to the way they packed it in here as opposed to the way you see it over there. You're going to see the tires on the side, but things are going to be different, and I'll showcase that. As of right now, as you're looking at this Bigfoot, you'll notice that that body is off the hook. The bumpers are going to be different, silver and gold, white rims, gold rims. You're going to see the shocks are going to be different. I have blue shocks there, gold over there, and then, like I said, the motor heat sink's going to be different. The ESC is going to be different, which is going to be a black ESC, and the body and the chassis, it is numbered. So I want you guys to get a little bit more of an intake. They're saying number 1 and 175 is going to be the most sought after. So we'll see. Stay tuned as I'm about to open this up. Rate, comment, subscribe to my friends on YouTube. Later.